Hello guys, as sir already dismantled these all components, now we are going to learn about these components over here. On number one, we are going to learn about onboard charger and DC converter. So basically this is your onboard charger and DC converter. Now what is the main function of this converter? This thing takes one phase power. This thing takes one phase power from the battery, converts it into 72 volts and then it supplies it to battery. So what does battery do? Battery converts this 72 volts to the motor. Motor gets this 72 volt and it starts working. And also, this converter has two phases. One is 72 and one is 12 volt. Now 72 is for the battery thing because battery needs 72 volt to operate. This 12 volt is for the small components used in the controller. The MCUs, the VCUs, the vehicle control unit, TCUs, all these components are worked through this 12 volt converter. On number two, we have motor controller. As I have talked that motor controller is 12 volts is required for motor controller. This is a motor controller. Now what is role of this motor controller? In IC engines we have different case for the speed variation. But in electric vehicles we need speed variation which is done through MCU. What does MCU does? As you pedal your pedal in electric vehicle, the speed increases, and as we remove our leg, the speed decreases. This all things are controlled by the MCU. As we press the pedal, the MCU gets the signal that the car needs to be increase the speed. So it sends the signals to the MCU to motor that you will be required to increase the energy, increase the speed. So the voltage intake by the motor increases and the speed we get is accelerated. On number three, we have BLDC motor controller. Now this is the same thing like MCU. Nothing new like this BLDC motor does. But the BLDC motor